Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a brand new product called Cozy Room Coloring Valet. If you're interested in creating cozy coloring books, printable products, or selling digital downloads online, then this tool might grab your attention. And yes, if you decide to pick up Cozy Room Coloring Valet through my link, I'm also offering 5 exclusive premium bonuses that are specially designed to help you create better digital products, get faster results, improve your marketing, and potentially increase your online income. These bonuses are super beginner-friendly and honestly complement this product really well. So make sure you stay till the end of this video because I'll explain all 4 bonuses and show you how to access them instantly after purchase. Now, let's jump into the full review of Cozy Room Coloring Valet. What is Cozy Room Coloring Valet? Cozy Room Coloring Valet is a software tool designed to help users create cozy-themed coloring pages and printable designs using AI-powered generation tools. The software is mainly targeted toward Etsy sellers, KDP publishers, printable creators, coloring book businesses, side hustlers, and beginners looking to enter the digital product market. The cozy room trend has become extremely popular online, especially on Pinterest, TikTok, Etsy, and Instagram. And this software tries to help users tap into that trend by generating aesthetic cozy room coloring pages quickly. How it works? The workflow is pretty simple. Step 1, you choose a cozy room style or enter prompts. Step 2, the AI generates coloring page style artwork. Step 3, you customize or edit the designs. Step 4, you download the files and use them for Etsy listings, printable bundles, Amazon KDP, Gumroad, personal projects, social media content. One thing I like is that beginners don't need advanced graphic design skills. The interface appears beginner-friendly and focused mainly on fast creation. Main features: 1. AI Coloring Page Generator. This can save a lot of time compared to manually designing pages. 2. Beginner-friendly dashboard. The software seems designed for non-technical users. Everything appears simple and step-by-step. 3. Printable export options. You can export designs for PDFs, printables, KDP uploads, and Etsy digital products. 4. Trend-based designs. The cozy aesthetic niche is currently trending heavily. That means there's demand for relaxing coloring pages, cozy bedroom themes, study room aesthetics, cute printable art, and commercial use potential. Depending on the license included, users may be able to sell the designs commercially. Always check the exact license terms before selling at scale. Now, you can see inside the Cozy Room Coloring what you will get. Cozy space, living room, cafe corner, 250 plus Cozy Room coloring pages, 10 plus printable coloring books, 60 plus coloring book illustration, full PLR rights. Get 10 plus ready-made coloring book collections that tell the daily activities of a little girl named Lumi, presented in a miniature diorama world style, featuring a cozy room with rain visible through the window, filled with warmth, tranquility, and soothing details, and much more. A full detail you can see in the sales page, so let's the link in description and see all the details.
Before I give my final verdict, let me show you the exclusive bonuses you can see on screen you'll get if you purchase Cozy Room Coloring Valet through my link below this video. And honestly, these bonuses are designed to help you not just create coloring products, but actually learn how to sell and grow your online business. Bonus number 1. How to Sell Digital Products video course. This is a super valuable training course, especially for beginners. Inside this course, you'll learn how to sell digital products online, where to list your products, how to attract buyers, and how people are generating passive income with simple digital downloads. So if you're new to Etsy, KDP, or digital products, this bonus can save you a lot of time and confusion. Bonus number 2, free Canva templates. You'll also get professionally designed Canva templates. These templates can help you create better product covers, design social media posts, make thumbnails, improve your Etsy listings, and give your product a more professional look. And the best part? You can edit everything easily inside Canva, even if you have zero design experience.
Bonus number 3, Amazon KDP Full Video Course. This is another powerful bonus. If you want to publish coloring books, journals, activity books, low-content books on Amazon KDP, then this course will help you understand the full process, step by step. This bonus works perfectly with Cozy Room Coloring Valet because you can create your coloring pages and then learn how to publish and sell them on Amazon. Bonus number 4, Digital Marketing Ultimate Guide, $27 value. This guide is packed with strategies to help you get more traffic, improve conversions, understand online marketing, build your audience, and promote your digital products more effectively. A lot of beginners create products, but struggle with marketing. This bonus helps solve that problem. Bonus 5, all vendor bonuses. And of course, you'll also receive all the official vendor bonuses included with the main product launch page. So overall, you're getting a complete value bundle here. So if you're interested in Cozy Room Coloring Valet, make sure you grab it using my link in the description below to secure all these exclusive bonuses before the launch ends. Once you purchase, your bonuses will be delivered instantly. Trust me, these extra bonuses make this deal much more valuable, especially for beginners trying to start an online digital product business. Pricing and funnel. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing and funnel for Cozy Room Coloring Valet. Front-end offer. The front-end price is usually around $17 to $27 during the launch period, depending on when you buy. It gives you access to the main software and core features. OTO number 1, Unlimited Edition. Unlock more features, extra generations, and fewer limitations. OTO number 2, Done For You Pack. Includes ready-made templates and resources to save time. OTO number 3, Automation Edition. Designed to speed up workflow and make content creation easier. OTO number 4, Agency/Commercial License. Allows users to sell services or use the tool for clients. OTO number 5, Bundle or Reseller Option. May include reseller rights or access to additional products. My recommendation? Start with the front-end version first and only upgrade if you really need the extra features for your business model. If you want to check out Cozy Room Coloring Valet, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.